In this video, I'm decorating the tablescape, but I'm doing it outside. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello friends, this is Stephanie of Creatively MsMe, making decorating and home organization a bit easier on a budget. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. And if you're a Creatively family member, I want to thank you for your continuing support. Now let's jump into this video. Okay, it's been raining in Houston the past 2-3 days. So I'm trying to get out here before we get more rain. So here's how the table outside looks now. I'm going to decorate it right quick and get back in. I am a co-host in this collaboration, and this collaboration is entitled Dashing Through the Snow Tablescape 2020. And it is hosted by Tammy, the Glam Queen of DIY. The co-hosts are Mary at Mary J, and Ellen at Glamour Ellen, Tay at Uniquely Tay, and myself, Stephanie, at Creatively MsMe with Stephanie. Now, if you haven't heard of anyone's channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist down below in the description. Please excuse the leaves. Because of the storm, I haven't been able to get the leaves off the patio. But here is my Dashing Through the Snow tablescape. Now here I used a Dollar Tree white charger, a Dollar Tree plate. I have a candle holder from the Dollar Tree and the peppermint looking tea candle. I used the red mats that look like ornaments. I got them from the Dollar Tree as well. And as you see here, I have these snowflake glasses from the Dollar Tree. And the red napkins came from eBay, and the napkin rings were purchased off for eBay as well. My centerpiece, I have the fur that came from Amazon, the sleigh that was thrifted, the gnome, he came from General Dollar, the tree came from the Dollar Tree, and the two silver reindeers, they came from the 99 cents only store. So I hope you enjoyed my tablescape. Let me know down below what you think. If you want to keep watching more, check out these videos I have listed here in the end screen. And you be blessed.